At Ascot Vale Leisure Centre, Keilor East Leisure Centre and Queen's Park Swimming Pool, we welcome nearly 1 million visitors through our door every year. What I love seeing from our members and guests is the enjoyment they get from visiting our facilities and participating in our programs and services and achieving their goals.
Belgrade Village is really proud to have been working with Moonee Valley City Council now for over 8 years, managing 3 important community leisure aquatic facilities, and that's done in a real collaborative partnership approach. And of course, then we talk about our relationships and partnerships with the broader community, and that's where the magic happens. Connecting in with sporting clubs, community groups, schools and associations, but also really relying and working heavily with peak bodies such as LSV and ARV.
The key messages showcased in the National Drowning Report showcased that an initial lack of access to water safety activities contributes to the lack of awareness, knowledge and skills to boost drowning prevention. So from those learnings, we've introduced programs such as Access for All Ability Swimming and Social Program, Women's Only Swimming, Next Wave funding. We attracted funding to help upskill our staff and attract new staff to be able to deliver more programs to the community. We also introduced the LSV CALD swimming program, a dedicated program for children to build their confidence and water safety skills, as well as the All-In program that helps break down those socio-economic barriers and provides funded swimming lessons for those in need.
From a proactive policing unit, we often work in various community groups, and our local one through the Ascot Vale Ministry of Housing and Flemington Ministry of Housing was identified that there were a lot of women who just didn't know how to swim. It's highlighted a way that we could connect with them from a policing point of view about safety, and then collaborating with Move Moonee Valley and the local leisure centres to educate the women in the environment for a women's only swimming lesson class.
The Victorian Government are funding ARV to provide what we called the Next Wave, and that program was focused on trying to attract job seekers from new and different priority cohorts across Victoria.
Next Wave program is so important because they are the bridge between the leisure centres and the people who are seeking the jobs. Not only Australian people, also overseas people who has language barrier or any other issues. I really feel happy when I see I can teach anyone how to be safe in water.
We're incredibly pleased and proud to have been working with Move Moonee Valley. In the last 12 months, Move Moonee Valley and Lifesaving Victoria have partnered together to deliver a fully funded Learn to Swim program for the multicultural communities. We know from our before and after reviews of the participants, there was a massive increase in their water confidence after that program. It's been fantastic watching our teams work together to actually deliver a host of tools and resources in multiple languages for our Watch Around the Water and Swim Safe programs. Lifesaving Victoria is really enthusiastic to continue our amazing work with Move Moonee Valley.
We're really passionate about aquatic safety and water education. Many people that participate in programs and services in aquatic facilities don't always have that experience and don't have the upbringing that many Australians do. So targeting culturally and linguistically diverse communities is a real opportunity to ensure that everyone gets an opportunity to be safe in and around water.
You're having a huge impact on your communities. I think you can role model to others, the way to engage and to sort of work with multicultural communities. So congratulations on all that you're doing, and thank you for your wonderful part.